Welcome to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix your problems step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can turn off comments on Facebook post, alright? Now you can only turn off comment on your post, you cannot do it on other people's post, alright? So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Let's move on. Once you open your Facebook, you want to click on where it says menu and click on your profile picture at the top of your screen, and then scroll a bit down and choose the post where you want to disable comment. Let's say I want to disable comment on this post. Now what I can do is click on the three dot right beside the post. It's going to be at the top right corner of the post. You can see the arrow, click on it, and over here you can see who can comment on this post. Now most people, they do not get this option called who can comment on this post. So to get this option, what you want to do is click on edit privacy and make sure it's set on public. Alright, if it is set on anything else than public, then you're not going to get the option called who can comment on this post. Alright, so make sure it's on public and click on done. Once you click on done, click on the three dot of the post again and click on who can comment on this post, and from over here you want to choose profiles and pages you mentioned. So once it's tick marked, click on done. Now what this does is only the people who you have tagged and only the people or website you have mentioned on this post can comment on it. But you can see I have not mentioned anybody, which means nobody can comment on it. Alright, so if you guys have mentioned somebody on a post, make sure to unmention them again so they can't even comment it. So yeah, that's basically what this setting does. So hope you understand on how we guys can turn off comments on Facebook. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step, and I'll see you guys on my future video. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day and peace out.